which was won by Udargat Arambol beating Udargat Mandrim. It was a cliffhanger. Will history be repeated here, or will there be change in fortune?
आमचे आमच्या आईचे मानाचे सोयरे श्री बायसिंग बुटिया तशेंच आमचे MLA पावन चल्लेले आसात. मागता सगळ्यांनी तांकां मानान येवकार दिवचो. Our esteemed chief guest, all of you to kindly give him a round of applause and welcome the legend of football in a coastal.
One of the best football ground here in Arambol. Baichung Bhutia made his senior international debut in Nehru Cup 97 SAFF Championship 2 LG Cup held in Vietnam, in which India beat the host nation 3-2. So Bhutia goal came either side of the half time. The football tournament of 2003.
Jersey number 12. Melbourne Kanati, jersey number 75. Lian Morje, jersey number 2. Christy Alfonso, jersey number 10. Mason Brito, jersey number 30. Jaden Fernandez, jersey number 8. Cipriano Rodriguez, jersey number 11. Ritik Hamaldar, jersey number 2. Substitute, Cladwin Rodriguez, jersey number 5.
Jersey number 11. Vedant Gadekar, jersey number 111. Glenson Brito. Soccer Cup 2026, organized by Udargat under the able and guided leadership of the MLA of. Make this grand evening even more memorable, we have the distinct honor of welcoming a living legend. Malayan village can rule the biggest stadiums in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the legendary football of Indian national team captain, Mr. Baichung Bhutia. He is called the pioneering of Indian football. He became the second youngest player to where he bagged the Golden Boot. For his monumental contribution to the sports, he has been honored with the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award, the India's fourth trophy. As he does, please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of infinite gratitude and a warm welcome to this grand finale. Now I request all those who are present here to kindly rise for the national anthem. Requesting the team members to kindly stand in a line.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब
Common chess grounds.
पालवे गावचो सरपंच
Football
आणि
finale of
पालवे गावचो
2026.
पंच हांगासर पावले आसात.
Kindly welcome our chief guest with a loud, thunderous round of applause. Divya Bahugadekar, and requesting Darina to present a bouquet of flowers. The legend of football in our midst. Sorry, I request our honorable.
Good evening everyone. आजच्या या फायनलीत आमच्यामध्ये असा लिजंड ऑफ फुटबॉल आमचे बायचीन बुतिया वेलकम यू ओवर हियर. खूब जाण म्हणटाले की सदांच असलो इव्हेंट प्रोग्राम आसलो जाल्यार कोण येतलो काय विचारताले आनी सगळ्यांक सरप्रायज आसले आनी आयज फुटबॉल लवर्स सगळे हांगा येयल्यात आनी म्हाका दिसता हे फुटबॉल हिस्ट्री मांद्रे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन म्हाका दिसता पयलेच फावट एक फुटबॉलाचो लिजंड म्हणटा तो बायचीन बुदिया आमच्या भितर आहा आनी खरें बरें दिसता. खूब जाण विचारताले अरे प्लेयर येदो व्हडलो कित्याक येयला काय म्हणून. हांगासर एका हाडपाचो एकूच उद्देश आसलो की आमचे ल्हान ल्हान भुरगीं पळयतात डेली हांगासर ग्रावंडाचेर प्रॅक्टीस करतात. एक फुटबॉल प्लेयर बरो फुटबॉल प्लेयर जेन्ना हांगासर येतात तेन्ना इन्स्पिरेशन वाडटा मोटिवेशन वाडटा आनी आमचे यंगस्टर्स आहात तांकां मोटिवेशन मेळोन ते खंय तरी एका प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर एका पोजिशनार पावोंक शकता. म्हणून आयज आमी येदे व्हडले लिजंडाक हांगासर हाडला ताका लागून तेंचे थँक्यू म्हणटा. थँक्यू सर फॉर कमिंग हियर. आमच्या मदीं आमचे फादर आहात आरंबोल चर्चीचे तशेंच सरपंच सगळे पंच मेंबर आनी तुमी सगळे मोगी हांगासर. सो चड काय उलयना कित्याक बायचीन बुतिया उलोवपाचो हा स्पोर्ट्साक आनी फुटबॉलाक फुटबॉल लवर्सांक आनी फुटबॉल प्लेयरांक मोटिवेट करपाक. ऑल द बेस्ट टू बोथ द टीम्स आनी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स फॉर ऑर्गनायझींग अ वंडरफूल फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंट. थँक्यू.
First of all, I would like to thank MLA sir, Jeet Alorkar sir, for inviting me here. Thanks to the organizing committee as well. It's wonderful to be back in Goa. I've had some wonderful memories here in Goa playing here. A lot of friends, a lot of footballers I've grown up together with, from my senior Bruno Coutinho to Mahesh Gauli, Samir Naik, a lot of them, Albito Dicuna. I think I've had wonderful memories. So it's so good to be back here and watch a nice tournament. I think MLA sir has organized such a nice tournament, giving opportunities to local players. And for that, I would like to thank and congratulate every one of you who's come here and shown that support to the local players, because if you guys don't come, they don't get encouraged players. So thank you for coming and thank you very much. I hope this tournament gets lots and lots of success in years to come. Thank you. You know, this is a local MLA's village 9 village team, and the quality is very good, because the goal which what we saw is the highest standard, especially the back volley. I think it's wonderful goal, very good quality, great football. Goa is known for football, and I think this is one of the reason why everybody coming here in such big numbers, and the quality of football we can get to see in the ground. So class, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your. My son Brito, my son, best striker of the tournament, Biju. Tournament and highest scorer of the tournament of Mandres, honorable chief guest, so Baichung Bul. ते जावन आसात हे भशेन सिद्धी. And please, all the 6 of you, our esteemed chief guest, along with give them a round of applause, please. Give them a loud round of applause. This is Madran Soccer Cup.